According to Lush, bath bomb sales are at an all-time high in popularity, and sales have increased by 71% over the last 3 years alone. Last year, Lush sold 21 million bath bombs, and they are certainly not the only brand to be experiencing this level of growth. I'm Sarah Janes from Soap School. So why are bath bombs and bath treats so popular? Well, the bath is no longer about just cleaning. It is so much more. It symbolises the need for us to take a little time for ourselves, to relax and get away from those non-stop demands in our daily lives and just be 100% indulgent. Laying in a warm bath with decadent effervescent bubbles, bursting with all those little aromatic delights, filled with other nourishing ingredients like plant oils, essential oils, exotic butters. You can even lay back like Cleopatra and indulge yourself laying in a bath full of petals. No wonder they are so popular. People value me time. The bath is now a sanctuary of indulgence that is treasured. Now at Soap School, we offer a fun-packed, hands-on workshop. In a single day, you are going to be able to learn all of the key processes and techniques to make your own delicious bath bombs and fizzes. You're going to use simple ingredients that are easily available to you, and you'll learn how to make flat-back bath bombs, spherical bath bombs. We'll be including things like milks or clays, nourishing butters and plant oils. But you won't just learn bath bombs on this course, you'll also learn how to create a wide range of other delicious products too, including bath salts, bath crumbles, and even a really nourishing bath truffle. You don't need any prior experience at all. We will take you through all of the steps right from basics. And at the end of the day, you're going to have a wealth of treasures to take home and enjoy. The course is held in small, friendly groups in a relaxing setting. Are you excited to be thinking about making your own bath bombs? Come and click the button, join us on the course and have a blast of a day. And as a special bonus, we're also going to be sharing 6 different recipes for you to create your own shower steamers and some other bonuses too, so do check them out as well. Bye bye for now.